Hey guys, today I will show you how to reduce Dota 2 ping. Lower ping means faster reactions, less input delay, and smoother team fights. First, open Dota 2. Click Play Dota, then look at the server region in the bottom right. Select the region closest to your location and disable distant servers. Next, go to Settings, then scroll down to Miscellaneous and enable Display Network Information so you can monitor ping in real time. You can also specify that you have a low-end network quality on the right to improve the overall smoothness of your game. Also, close background apps that use the internet like downloads or streaming. And that's how to reduce Dota 2 ping. Thank you so much for watching.